Today I'm going to tell you how to make big profits with a single YouTube channel. Building significant profits with a YouTube channel involves a combination of strategies, dedication, and consistent effort. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve success and maximize your earnings on YouTube. Identify your niche and audience. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Tailor your content to a specific target audience to increase engagement and build a dedicated following. Create high-quality content. Produce high-quality videos with excellent production value, engaging visuals, and clear audio. Compelling content will keep your audience interested and encourage them to subscribe, like, and share your videos. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search engine optimization, SEO. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results, making them more discoverable. Build a strong brand and identity. Develop a recognizable brand with a unique logo, consistent color scheme, and channel art. Maintain a consistent tone and style in your videos to create a cohesive brand identity. Grow your subscriber base. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel and turn on notifications. Engage with your audience through comments, polls, and live streams to build a loyal community. Monetize your channel. Meet the eligibility requirements for YouTube's partner program, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Apply for monetization and enable ads on your videos. Diversify income streams. Besides ad revenue, explore other income streams like sponsorships, merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and channel memberships. Diversifying your income sources can increase your overall earnings. Leverage affiliate marketing. Promote products or services relevant to your niche using affiliate links in your video descriptions. Earn a commission for every sale made through those links. Engage with your audience. Encourage interaction by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating content based on viewer suggestions. Engagement boosts your channel's visibility and encourages more viewers to subscribe. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborations with other creators can help you tap into their audience and gain more exposure. Choose collaborators whose content and audience align with your own. Track performance and analytics. Regularly monitor your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Understand what content is performing well and adapt your strategy accordingly to optimize your earnings. Promote your videos. Share your videos on other social media platforms, your website, or relevant forums to reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your channel. Stay consistent and persistent. Consistency is key in growing a successful YouTube channel. Stick to a regular uploading schedule and persist through challenges and fluctuations in performance. Remember, building a profitable YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and persistence. Focus on delivering value to your audience and continuously improving your content and strategy to maximize your earnings over time. Okay, what else you want us to teach you? Comment down below. Give us ideas on what you want to see on this channel, and if you haven't already, subscribe, turn that red subscribe gray, and hit all push notifications.